Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 and this question came on second shift. And इसी साल का question है ये. So let us see this question first. Question says a cube is placed inside an electric field and electric field is variable which is given to you. It is along y-axis and it is equivalent to 150 y square. The side of the cube is 0.5 meter. And is placed in the field as shown in the figure. So that means a cube is placed just like this, and electric field is moving along y-axis and it is variable and it is given to you. So the charge inside the cube is, you need to find out the charge inside this cube. Okay, since the electric field is variable, so that means if electric field is moving like this in the upward direction along y-axis, as you can see, electric field is along y-axis and it is given by E is equal to 150 y square, and this cube is just like placed like this. Okay, just like this, and it is placed over here at an origin. So at x equal to 0, at y equals to 0, the electric field must be equal to 0, don't you think? Because the y is 0, so that means electric field over here, so that means at its base this electric field is 0. Since electric field is only acting along the y-axis, so we can only visualize the question as if the electric field is along y-axis only, and electric field produce a flux, and flux would be linked only along y-axis. So that means all the faces, like side faces, along the side faces, no flux will be linked along the side faces because the electric field is only along y-axis and it is variable. So the flux at this point, at this base, and this upper face would be different. Okay, so the electric field over here at its base is 0, so that means the flux linked should also be 0. And what about the upper face? At upper face, this distance is already given, side is given to you is 0.5 meter, so it is equivalent to half meter. So at half the meter height, the electric field would be equivalent to 150 multiplied by half whole square, so it comes out to be 150 by 4. This is the value of electric field at the upper surface. So what would be the flux linked at the upper surface? The flux linked is nothing but E dot ds. And what is area over here? Area is nothing but half meter multiplied by half meter, because since it is a cube of side half meter. Okay, so the area would be electric flux multiplied by area, which is half into half, which is 1 by 4. So it comes out to be 150 by 16. So this is a value of flux that you have along upper surface. Along lower surface it is 0. So the flux linked, so total flux linked within this cube must be equal to total charge acquired divided by epsilon naught, because this is what you learn in Gauss law. So total flux linked within this closed surface must be equal to q in by epsilon naught. So q in is the charge acquired within this cube. Okay, so this q in must be equal to flux times multiplied by epsilon naught. And what is the flux over here? Flux is 150 by 16. Epsilon naught value is, so q in must be equal to 150 by 16 multiplied by epsilon naught. Epsilon value is 8.85 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Solve it, you will get a value of 8.3 into 10 raised to power minus 1 coulomb. So this is the expression that you are getting. Okay, so this is the total charge within the cube. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.